In this video, I will show you how to create and set up a Twilio account. To do this, first just go to the Twilio website, which is twilio.com, and click on Start for Free. Now you don't need a credit card and you can just start completely for free. Here, enter either your first name, last name, email, and password, and you only really need to do your email and password, your name is not necessary, or you can continue with Google, which is what I'll do for this example. From there, it's going to take you right here. They will also need to verify your phone number. So here, select the country you are from and enter your phone number. Then click send code via SMS, or you can even do a voice call, but I'll do SMS. So they will then send you a code, simply fill that in right here. And then click verify. They will then give you a recovery code. Go and save that somewhere where you can remember it. Then click continue. You will then be actually redirected to your Twilio account. So we can now start setting up your new account. So we can now see this. You can continue with a trial, or you can continue with pay as you go. So pay as you go basically means that you pay for however many messages you are sending. Whereas with a trial, you can get a set amount of credits. Now for example, I'll click continue with trial. Then from there, fill in some questions about yourself. So what best describes you? What kind of business do you have if you are a business? Then how would you describe your role? How do you want to build with Twilio? What do you want to build with Twilio? And which channels are you interested in? I'll do SMS and then click let's go. Now from there, you will get into your actual account. Right here, what we can do is get a trial phone number to actually start using Twilio. So you've now got your phone number. For you it will be different, but now we can start using Twilio. So whatever channel you want to set up here in the left menu, you can do so. So for example, if I go to messaging, I can click overview, and from here I can try SMS, I can try WhatsApp, I can set up phone numbers, voice, I can now do whatever I need. Now they give you a very generous $15.50 in free credits when you create your Twilio account, which is great for getting started. So you now know how to create and set up your Twilio account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.